According to studies, an average person spends at least 6 hours on their phones daily. To make sure our phones are always powered, we equip our homes, rooms, and workplaces with chargers at all times. Don't you find that messy and trivial? Imagine having a wireless charger embedded to your tables. You can charge your phones by simply placing them on the table while you enjoy your morning coffee. Here comes MiLi. We are dedicated to provide your latest optimal wireless charging solution. With MiLi, you can power your life anytime, anywhere. Table Mate is a removable wireless charging transmitter designed to rest underneath table surfaces by using a reusable adhesive material. Using magnetic resonance technology, Table Mate can charge your phone with up to 5 watts of power wirelessly within the range of 35 millimeters for the table thickness. Charging starts instantly and completes seamlessly. Table Mate is effective at a maximum distance of 6 millimeters with the phone. Don't worry about removing your phone case for charging. Table Mate is compatible with all wireless charging standards for over 100 plus Qi-compatible smartphones, both Apple and Android phones. At the same time, it is equipped with the highest resistance against water and oil. You can move Table Mate around your sitting room, bedroom, and workplace to power up your phone anytime, anywhere. MiLi, power your life anytime, anywhere.